A little late on the video, but we're installing a flex fuel kit on my Tahoe.
For what, power?
No, for fuel economy.
That's what they all say.
Mason's over there working. This is what it'll look like all said and done. Fabbed up in there all nice. Now this is a toy. This is a work vehicle. So I had to make sure he had it tested and done right on his before we touch mine. But essentially, you get a couple fittings. There's about 180, $65 and the fittings and sensor there. So it gets a little expensive, but yeah, we're hoping she's reliable, and then I could run E85 and gasoline when it's said done. And then tuned.
On a stock fuel pump.
On a stock fuel pump, and we got to get it tuned by FSI. So basically, that's what we're doing here, is switching it, adding a flex fuel sensor so I can run flex fuel. Another mod I added, because for some reason Tahoes don't come with trans coolers, is this Mishimoto trans cooler. I've noticed with just the cooler about a 10-degree drop, and then when I hook up the fans, don't mind the wiring harness, just for educational purposes. I've seen a 20-degree drop. So, definitely worth it. Stock Tahoes and Suburbans do not have trans coolers. Only Silverados have stock trans coolers. So, he's upgraded his on here too. You can see it down in there. But this is what a stock one looks like. That little guy. So, Tahoes do not have that. Yeah, I'll report back to when we're done. And I'll add in the tune too, and I'll post up the vid. Alright. We got her finished up. We could do something nicer with the bracket there, but we're just warming up to check transmission fluid because I took the transmission fluid out. But could be a little nicer set up there, but zip tie's all we're working with right now. But I like it.
You're gonna talk about my install when you got your trans cooler fan.
Listen, if you ain't using gator clips, you're wasting your time.
You can't talk about that zip tie now.
Listen, bud, gator clips got the job done. Let me show them.
You got dyno this thing?
No street tune, no dyno. You hear that? Gator clips never told no lie. Oh, you can't slide, bro.
They just don't come unlocked.
Dig or what?